Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made 2 videos using this, but this time, the other 2 I used the blend tool docker down here. This time I'm going to use the actual docker. Go to blend. So we're going to make a duplicate of this. I put 4 colors on it this time. Select them both. The most Corel you blend is 999 and hit apply. Then your text or your new path is here. Now your line can be too long for the 999 to get around there. And you can see a slight, you can see every blend. So you could always make your line shorter, but that's not what the video is about. So we can now select it and we can left click and take away our line. But then there's a lot you can do with it. You can watch the color change when I do this. Let me zoom in here. I'm going to hit clockwise and hit apply. Look at the color from that to that. Go counterclockwise and hit apply. Totally different look. This is pretty cool. I mean, if you're into printing designs on t-shirts or something, now I don't know if I'll be able to grab this very last blend. And I might have grabbed 2, but you can always make that smaller and smaller still and have a totally different look. I actually think the solid line was better. Anyway, it's just amazing how it puts it in front of the 2 lines. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.